All right, well, thank you, John. Like you said, I thought we were just going to start with a simple paint job. I bought this house. It was the house next door. It's been a rental for about the last 5 years, and I figured it just needed a paint job. And I sat down with John, and he showed me the bid, and I was like, "Oh my God, this is pretty crazy." But I really liked the way he presented the bid. He really walked us through every step. And even though the amount was a little overwhelming at first compared to what I was anticipating, we really trusted John. And we signed it, and we decided to go forward. The next day I called John in a panic. I was like, "Oh my God, this is way more than I thought." And he said, just let's get in there and start looking at it. So over the next several days, his crews came in very efficiently, started peeling back stuff, and I saw all the damage that was there. There was termite damage, there was water damage, there was roof damage. And then all of what John had seen through his walkthrough and put in his bid started to make sense to me. And we're about halfway through the project right now, and we're even running into more things, which can be expected with an older home like this, especially one that was really not remodeled to the highest standards to begin with and was never really cared for. But I feel really comfortable, and I'm really excited to see the end product. Again, if you're looking for a job where you're going to get somebody that's honest, calling it like it is, and if you are ready to expect that with a restoration, you're going to get good service from John and his crew. And so far, I'm very, very pleased.
Great. Well, thank you, Rick. And thank you, everyone, for stopping by. You can check us out and check out this particular project behind me here on our website at www.doublegpainters.com. And feel free to give us a call at 619-665-0754, and we'd be happy to come out and take a look at your project. Thank you.